I hope you are all safe wherever you are. Our today's topic is, what happens if you do not uninstall TikTok? So the question is, what if we already had TikTok installed before government announced the ban? And according to the facts, TikTok has a huge amount of downloads from India. So what government will do to stop those people from using TikTok? Well, the TikTok app on our Android phone was still working, but it will not work any longer. Since our government just announced the ban, it might take a little longer to block a huge application like TikTok. Government will ban TikTok with the help of network operators. All the banned Chinese apps, mainly TikTok, will be blocked on the networks including 4G and wired internet connections, which are managed by telecom industries including Airtel, Jio and Vodafone. Once the apps are blocked at the networks, like Jio, Vodafone and Airtel, there will be no way that anyone can use them, until and unless they decide to use VPN. I hope this information helped you clear some of your doubts regarding how exactly our government is working to ban these applications. I will personally suggest that you should follow the instructions provided by our government and uninstall it. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Trending Youth, so that you'll never miss any further updates. Stay tuned.